Hi, Dick Rochford here. 952 Papa Mike on our way to Noss Field, Delta Victor Oscar. We're going to plan our arrival into Noss. We've planned our descent, and now we need to look at the weather at Delta Victor Oscar. We can do that by first bringing up the waypoint page. So we're going to cover Noss, press enter, and then press weather here. And here comes our weather right there. And we just want to know roughly what the weather's like. So the wind is out of the southwest at 10 knots, good visibility, and the sky is clear. We'll plan for the visual to the runway, I suppose runway 31, unless there's a compelling reason to do otherwise. Let's see, the winds are 230, yeah, so 3-1. A little bit of a left crosswind.
Southwest 2059, correction. American 2059.
So if we're going to plan on 3-1, then let's see about an approach for 3-1.
Expect Bakers in 3 minutes.
It's going to be a visual, but I'm a fan of loading whatever approach we got.
Southwest 3028, rudder.
And we don't have an approach for 3-1, so that solves that problem. In that case, we'll consider proceeding, when the time comes, proceeding direct to the airport,
2745,
activating OBS,
Skywest 3509, contact Oakland Center 1.
and then turning the course needle, the heading, or the bearing of 031. And that'll draw a line from the center of the airport out on the reciprocal bearing that we can intercept and track inbound to the airport if we want. Dick Rochford, fly safely. Train off it.